Hello, viewers. You are welcome to Uncle Vincent Online Maths. In today's video, we shall solve this WAEC past question on latitude and longitude. So you are given that the points X of 70 degrees south and 60 degrees east and Y of 7 degrees south and 60 degrees east lie on the surface of the Earth. Question A. Illustrate the information on a diagram. B. Find the distance between X and Y along the meridian. You are to take pi to be 22/7 and R, radius of the Earth, to be 6,400 kilometers. Solution. The Earth is usually considered to be spherical in shape. So to illustrate this information on a diagram, we first draw a sphere to represent the Earth. So this is the Earth. Then you draw a straight line to connect the North Pole and the South Pole. This line passes through the center of the Earth and we call it the polar axis. After that, you draw a line from the west to the east, passing through the center of the Earth. And this line is called the diameter of the Earth. So where the diameter and the polar axis intersect is called the center of the Earth. And it's normally represented by O. So this is the center of the Earth. So we go ahead to locate these points on the surface of the Earth. Now we are told that the 2 points are located on longitude 60 degrees east. So let us draw the common longitude, which is 60 degrees east. So this is our longitude, 60 degrees east. Then let's check the latitude. The latitude of X is 70 degrees south, while that of Y is 7 degrees south. So when you are moving from the center of the Earth to the South Pole, you count latitude 0, 1, 2, 3. You pass 7 before you get to 70. That means latitude 7 degrees will come before 70. So let's assume this is our latitude 7 degrees. The latitudes are actually not straight lines. They are circles. So this is latitude 7 degrees south. Latitude 7 degrees south. So where this latitude and the longitude intersect, you are going to have your point Y. The next, latitude 70 degrees south. So they are not actually straight lines. The latitudes are circles. So where latitude 70 degrees south intersects with longitude 60 degrees east, you locate your X. We will now trace these points to the center of the Earth. So we trace like this. We trace like this. So by the time we do that, we see that the 2 points forms an angle, theta, at the center of the Earth. And this angle is what is known as latitude difference. So to get the angle theta, which is the latitude difference, we know that theta is equal to 70 minus 7. And theta will be 63 degrees. Now the latitude difference is actually talking about the number of lines of latitude you will cross when you want to travel from X to Y, or when you want to travel from Y to X. So in practical sense, you are going to pass through 63 lines of latitude in moving from X to Y. So this is the latitude difference. Now we have illustrated the information on the diagram. So the second part of the question is saying we should find the distance between X and Y along the meridian. That is the distance between X and Y along this line of longitude. Now, you observe that the distance between x and y is actually an arc that makes an angle theta at the center of the earth. And from our knowledge of mensuration, we know that length of arc xy is calculated from the formula theta over 360. This is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And in this case, our theta is the latitude difference, which is 63 degrees. Pi is given as 22 over 7. Radius of the earth is taken as 6,400. So our xy will now be theta, which is 63 over 360 times 2 times pi, which is 22 over 7 times 6,400 over 1. So our xy, that is the distance between x and y, when you simplify that, you will have 1177,40800. So when this is simplified, you have 1177,40800 over 2520. And when you divide this by this, you have xy to be 7,040 kilometers. Thanks for watching.